How much time do we have up till this month? So Surendra told that another 10 days. So this month complete. We have time, and by this week we need to do the sowing, and we expect the rains from maybe today. And MR1 will be sown, or else the seed variety must be changed. We'll think of that later. Other thing is about this neem trick.
No, if we delay this, what happens? That also we need to see. If we delay this,
Yeah.
since this variety is a 4 month.
During the
crop,
December there will be.
If monsoon retreats and this cross,
Then the yield will be less, or else there will be short. ಅಲ್ಲ ಸುರೇಂದ್ರ ಅವರೇ, ಈಲ್ಡ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈಲ್ಡ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಲ್ಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಏನೇ ಹೊಡಿಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಅದೇನೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಡೆ ಕಡಿಯೋದು. ಎಡೆ ಕಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಕಾಳು ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಕಾಳು ಕಟ್ಟಿದರೆ 50% ಕಾಳು ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೂಪರ್.